Hello, my name is Mike from the Automotive Approach. Today we're going to be taking you through a quick video tour of our low mileage 525D Touring. So this is our super low mileage 525D Touring. It's a 2005, it's had 3 former keepers, it has only covered 78,000 miles from new, and it's got a whopping 17 service stamps in the book, showing how well it's been looked after throughout its life. Whilst in our care, we've given it a fresh MOT, a full 102-point independent mechanical inspection, replaced the glow plugs, put a reconditioned turbo in, just to really make sure this is as good as it can be. It is an 05 plate, so there's the odd little mark around the bodywork, but realistically for a 2005 car, it's nothing that I'm going to worry about. It's in really, really good condition for the age. Inside, got these super comfortable leather seats, automatic gearbox, 2.5 litre straight 6 diesel engine, steering wheel controls, basic iDrive, air conditioning, front and rear parking sensors. And you've also got a sunroof, which is a really, really rare optional extra on these. But it does make the cabin really, really nice and bright. You have got a blind that automatically comes across there, just in case it is getting a bit too bright in the summer. Loads of rear leg room in these 5 Series. Again, super comfortable seats, very, very nicely trimmed. And of course, you've got the big one, the ginormous boot. Always super practical, these cars. So, if you're after a low mileage, practical, comfortable touring car with a lovely, powerful engine, this is definitely one to consider. Really, really lovely motor. I can't imagine this one hanging about for long. If you have any more questions or queries, please get in touch.